How to find channels on Telegram. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find channels on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. The simplest way to find channels on Telegram is by using global search function. To do this, open your Telegram app. Then tap the search icon on the top right of the screen. Next, type channels using the keyword. Tap a channel you want to check out. And you can click join if you want to. Another method is to look channels online. I recommend browsing on Telegram channels. You can use any browser app you like. Then search for telegramchannels.me. This website offers you a lot of channels for you to browse. And you can also search specific ones if you like. Now you know how to find one. It might be helpful if you want to know how to create your own channel. Simply open your Telegram app again. Tap the pencil icon on the bottom right. Then select new channel. And you can name your channel into whatever you like. And link to. Once you're done, you have now create your own channel. And that's how you can easily find channels on Telegram. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this video. See you soon on the next video.